How's it going? I'm Ryan, and today I'm going to go over the one trade that I took on NQ. I took a short, got stopped out a little early for a small gain. This is something that's happened to me in multiple trades this week, so I think just trailing the stop too aggressively. And today was more of a case of a not so great entry that caused me to get stopped out. But we'll go over that trade in just a second. Charts are a little switched up, changing it up, trying out a new color scheme. I like it. I think it looks pretty cool. Um, but we'll see. We'll see how we feel about it. Anyways, coming into the day, if we're looking at the hourly time frame, we had a massive sell-off yesterday at the end of the day. Throughout the pre-market and after hours. After hours, we got a little bounce. Pre-market, we started to sell off again. It looked almost like we were forming a little double bottom on like the 1 hour in the morning. You can see this is the after hours and the pre-market. We kind of formed a little double bottom, bouncing here and then here, and we got a nice move to the upside. There was a zone that I was watching, and it was right in here for a potential area of rejection. Price got really close to it and rejected off of that, so pretty close. Did not get in there, but as we sold off and then we came up and retested, it was looking like we were getting a lower high, and once we had this 5-minute candle confirmation, pull this up. Where are we? Here we are. 5-minute candle looking weak, making a lower high, and then if my 1 minute will load. Regardless, I took a short here. My entry wasn't great though, so I was looking to enter a little higher up. I hesitated, and as we started to sell off, then I entered around 19,005, so somewhere right in here. I put my stop above the wick, which was about 50 points, and my take profit was down at these lows, which was about 50 points. So it was about a 1-to-1 risk to reward. We did have news the following candle, so I entered on this candle, and then the following candle was going to be the 10 o'clock news. I did trail my stop pretty aggressively, knowing that we had that coming out, so that was part of it. But the biggest thing is my entry. Had I entered it when I was initially thinking of it, probably up in the like 20s, I could have brought my stop down to break even, and this little bounce that happened wouldn't have mattered. But I did get taken out and stopped out for a small gain. We made about 140 on the day, so about 14 points. I was trying to pass these accounts. I was going for about 50, 60 points. I think I actually lowered it a little bit to be 60, because I needed just about 60 points with 5 contracts to pass these accounts. So we're still a little short, but I'd rather just take this small win and move on than try to chase and make it up and potentially lose more than what I gained. So from there, I didn't see anything else really setting up. I didn't have anything to the downside that I was necessarily watching. And that's really it. I had one trade idea. I just like the rejection off this zone, the formation of a lower high, and the continuation of the downtrend that we've been in. So that was the idea. The risk was risking off that swing high. Target was the swing low. Pretty simple stuff, nothing too crazy. My 1 minute chart refuses to load, but that was part of it too. We saw that on the 1 minute chart, price action was pretty weak up in this area, and the volume dropped off. So that was another part of the analysis that went into it. Other than that, that's it really. We continue to head lower, so try not to have too much of a bias, but if the trend is going down, we look for opportunities to take advantage of that. That's all I got. I appreciate you watching. I do stream live Monday through Friday, so I'll be here tomorrow closing out the week. If you want to stop by, feel free. Would love to have you, and I hope you have a great day. Peace.